always a proverb or a saying to match whatever emotion or situation there is. Now, these proverbs or sayings are influenced by our multicultural ancestry, namely that of the African and English ancestry. And of course, it's not just the saying or the proverb, it's how you say it too. You can't sit down pan cow back and cuss cow kin though. Yeah, man, you can't do that. In English, we would have said, you cannot sit on the back of the cow and curse the skin of the cow. In other words, you cannot be benefiting from others and at the same time turn around and cuss them. You cannot be ungrateful or disdainful of those who are helping you and you are benefiting from it. So you can't sit down pan cow back and cuss cow kin. No man, that can't be right. There is so much truth and wisdom in our good old Jamaican proverbs. So we need to claim our heritage, know our culture, get to know we Jamaican proverb them, and use them when we really need to.